Yeah, so the biggest thing for a homeowner on window replacement is going to be, first off, to pull any personal items away from the window area, right? So if you have a couch that's backed up to some windows or a dresser in front of them, you're going to want to pull those to the middle of the room so that the guys have some room to work around all that stuff. The other thing a lot of people don't think about, but if you have any pictures or family heirlooms hanging on a wall right next to a window, those walls are going to be vibrating whenever we're tearing out the old windows, putting in the new ones, and we don't want something to fall off and break. So I usually recommend pull those things down just to be safe as well. And the last thing, we try to keep our guys on the outside of the home as much as possible, but with windows, we have to come in some. So if you have pets or small children and you guys are going to be there while we're working, have a plan for them, whether the dogs are in the garage or in a room, so we don't have to worry about a dog running out or a kid running out, something like that. But really, there's not a lot of prep work that we need from homeowners other than just having a clean workspace for our guys and making sure they don't have dogs and kids running around, getting outside where they don't need to be. Most of the windows that people are putting in now meet the Energy Star standards for this area, right? So if there's any kind of tax rebates or anything like that done by the city or the county, most windows that are installed meet those, right? Now, you can go very cost effective, say it that way, and get, not as good of a window, but typically you're talking about $100 a window difference. And for the most part, that really doesn't make sense to save yourself on 10 windows $1,000, but your energy efficiency is no better than it was before. So what have you really accomplished by replacing your windows, right? So typically in those situations, I say it's worth to spend a little bit extra money and get a window that's actually going to make a difference for you and solve a problem.